This is human-machine collaboration at its finest, where traditional craft meets the efficiency of modern automation. This state-of-the-art robotic system executes the traditional pretzel twist with absolute mechanical precision. The wet, alkaline-treated dough passes under the industrial sprinkler, where coarse salt crystals adhere to industrial seasoning. Precision ensures quality consistency, with salt distribution uniformity across every surface. The intense heat drives the Maillard reaction, rapidly transforming the dough into a deep, caramelized golden brown. At a molecular level, the transformation is nearly complete. The rich golden browns indicate the final stage of baking. This precision mechanism uses heat and pressure to melt the plastic, welding it shut to ensure maximum product freshness. The synchronized sealing action ensures that both the top and bottom of the shipping containers are secured simultaneously before distribution. The sheer scale of this operation is staggering. Here, technology and with logistics precision, the forklift slots the pallet into place, maximizing space optimization in this highly organized system. This facility covers over 1 million square feet, demonstrating the sheer scale of the distribution operation. baked to perfection. The contrast between the crispy golden crust and the soft, steaming interior showcases the ideal crumb structure.
A testament to consistency, these pretzels showcase the perfect balance of form and texture.
Quality assurance is paramount. Each pretzel must meet precise standards before receiving final approval.
Completing the cycle, the freshly packed pretzels are loaded for market delivery. It's a symphony of synchronized logistics. Spanning across the landscape, this facility represents the pinnacle of modern food production infrastructure.